To provide students and faculty with safer and more convenient package delivery, Parcel Pending introduces the Campus Hub, a new platform for distributing and receiving goods across campus. It starts with our innovative parcel locker systems that provide simple and secure campus-wide distribution of mail and packages, laptops, tech equipment and accessories, campus store merchandise, move-in materials, food delivery, and more. These modular solutions are scalable across all campus departments, serving many needs beyond the student mail center. Oversized items and mail can now tie into the same tracking system. Students and faculty will receive an instant notification once a package is ready, and they'll be able to pick it up on their time, either at a locker or behind the mail counter. Plus, students and staff can even use the lockers to return packages to the appropriate location on campus. No matter what is being moved, students and staff can enjoy safe and convenient package retrieval, while the university boosts productivity and lowers operational costs across campus without having to change existing workflows. With one Campus Hub for all deliveries and retrievals, your faculty and staff can rely on the efficiencies of a centralized chain of custody system for tracking parcels and assets. You'll have full visibility for all items being transported across campus, with instant access to analytics that provide a summary of how and when the lockers are being used. The Campus Hub is an innovative solution for students, faculty and staff, and carriers. It's time to modernize your approach to the college experience. This is Special delivery.